We have a phone. Let's open the box.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not
It's a Samsung Galaxy S8.
head to her toes. Yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say
Its screen and back glass is shattered. Let's see what we can do.
and I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying.
Let's open it up.
She's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that
First, remove the back glass.
got me so fixated, and I'm not the type to wait around. I've never hesitated, but she's got me captivated. So the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
Unscrew. Remove the fingerprint scanner, back case, battery and the other components.
I heard you look good in a sundress. I heard you look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke.
Install the new battery in the screen.
Keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
Test the new battery in the screen.
But it's too
The screen looks fine.
I remember you and me, and how careless we could
Yeah.
be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then
Now,
wake up.
let's remove the old screen from the phone body.
We were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good drug, never enough. We hook up in my car, driving so far.
Carefully remove the remaining glass pieces.
So hard, let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars. We were never apart, drinking feeling too young, way too much fun, out in the sun, hoping when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights come on.
Check for any bends in the phone. Clean the phone for any glass and glue.
It's too late now, I remember everything.
Clean the front speaker mesh.
And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be.
Before installing the screen, make sure it fits properly. It fits perfectly.
Late nights, long fights, it felt right.
Apply the glue to fix the screen.
We would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend
Carefully cover all the edges to fix the screen properly.
fearless, we were reckless, time was precious. We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Screw
Fix the screen to the phone.
can't be controlled.
Let's clamp it with rubber bands.
Late now, I remember everything.
Remove any extra glue that is coming out the edges.
Careless we could be. And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be.
One eternity later.
Remove the rubber bands.
And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be.
Remove any excessive glue.
And how careless we could be.
Let's put the magic tape on the battery.
Growing up, parents got me a guitar, said you could do anything.
Let's put all the components back.
You could be the president, fireman, race cars. The sky's the limit, kids, so shoot for the stars. So I strummed that guitar every day, found a passion for music, never went away. I joined a couple bands and played a few shows, tried to impress the girl in the front row. But soon enough, everything starts to change. As you grow up, nobody treats you the same. They try to take your future and make it real safe. You could be a doctor, accountant, or something sane. But yo, whatever happened to the sky was the limit. I fell in love with music, never thought it was a gimmick. I worked so hard on every tune and every single lyric. My whole identity depended on being artistic. Now you wanna strip that away, so you feel okay? Cause if I make it to the top, what does that really say? That you shouldn't have given up, that you made the mistake? much better about picking your lane, right? Yeah, things are gonna get better real soon.
Screw all the screws.
Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you. I swear it's gonna
Here's the new back.
real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should do. I got a clear view.
Apply the glue for the back.
Gonna make it soon. Just keep pushing through. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. Just keep pushing through. 'Cause what you got to lose. 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 I won't give up. I won't back down. Till the line sinks in underneath the deep ground.
Everything is working perfectly. This is the transformation.
Give up. I won't back down. Till the line sinks in underneath the deep ground. I won't give up. I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now.
What are your thoughts? Type in the comment section.